Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to share your Spotify Wrapped on your Snapchat. So first of all, please make sure that you have both Snapchat and Spotify Wrapped downloaded in your phone. Just like so, go App Store and then download Spotify application just by connecting your account, and then click on search, and from here you can search for Spotify. And if you have already Spotify, just make sure that it is updated on and it is on the latest version, and then go ahead and search for Snapchat. And just like so, make sure that your Snapchat is as well updated, and from here you can open it. And as you can see, I have to update it to do everything else. So let's click on update and wait a couple of seconds and it will be updated for us. Now let's go ahead and open the Spotify, and from here you can see the wrap down below. As you can see, I'm moving it. So from here you can pick whatever story you want. For example, let's pick this one, and just so you can know guys, you can't really share. Let's mute it. Okay, sorry guys. So you can't really share every story in this application. You can only share a couple ones. For example, the first one you can't really share it, but if you went to the second one like so, and you waited until the middle of the story, so let's wait for it, and like so, yeah. So here you can click on share this story, and from here you can click on Snapchat, and from here you can click on open. And because I have my Snapchat updating right now, so I will wait a little bit until it is fully updated. So that's why I'm telling you this guys, so you don't fail in this problem. So now after I click on Snapchat like so, I'm not gonna show my face, so yeah, that works. So as you can see, now I can basically share my story on this Snapchat profile. So that was it for today's tutorial guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.